In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly enable dark mode in Google Docs using a Chrome extension. This feature can really ease the strain on your eyes during those long hours of work or study in front of the screen. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to start with launching a new Google Docs document, and the quickest way to do this is by typing docs.new into your search bar. This handy shortcut takes you directly to a fresh document without any extra clicks or waits. It's a small trick, but a very efficient one that saves you time when all you want is to get straight into your writing. Now that you have Google Docs open, it's time to get the Chrome extension that will enable dark mode for you. Open a new tab in your browser, and in the search bar, type Google Docs Dark Mode. In the search results, you should see an extension available in the Chrome Web Store. Click on it to take you to the extension page. On this page, you'll find all the details regarding the extension, including user reviews and frequently asked questions, should you need more information about its functionalities. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll find an Add to Chrome button. Click this button and a pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm the addition. Simply select Add Extension and you're on your way. This simple confirmation step ensures that you know exactly what's being added to your browser, keeping things secure and transparent. Now in my case, I already have the extension added, but for you, this should be the part where it starts integrating itself into your Chrome environment. With the extension installed, head back to your Google Docs tab. You should notice that the dark mode extension icon has been added to the top right corner of your browser window. If it doesn't show up immediately, there's no need to worry. A quick page refresh typically causes it to appear. Sometimes these small hiccups happen, but refreshing is the magic wand that sorts them out. After refreshing the page, you'll see the new icon on the right side of your Chrome toolbar. This icon is the key to managing your dark mode settings. When you hover over it with your mouse, a drop-down menu appears, allowing you to adjust and customize your dark mode experience in a way that fits your personal preferences. You might want to toggle between different shades of dark, adjust the contrast, or simply keep it on default settings. It's all about what feels best for your eyes. And just like that, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Docs using a Chrome extension. It's really that simple and can make your document editing much more eye-friendly, especially in low-light environments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.